This video will be explaining the recommended maintenance for the CMC. On a daily basis, clear the CMC of mat board debris. Remove the backing mats. Use compressed air or a soft brush to clean where mat board can accumulate, like in the lower rail, clamps, and head. Make sure the backing mat does not have excessive wear and replace or rotate if need be. Check that the blade is cleanly cutting through the mat board and that the blade is installed correctly. Calibrate the depth dial if it is not cutting at the correct depth. Every night, turn off the computer and the ECU. Release the motors. Make sure the head is in the home position. Turn off the ECU. Then close out of Mat Designer and shut down the computer. On a weekly basis, wipe down the CMC rails using a soft cloth and general purpose cleaner. Dust around the ECU using a duster or vacuum. Drain the air regulator. The larger air regulators automatically release the trapped moisture when the air compressor is turned off, or if the air line is separated. On some models of air regulator, you need to press the tip at the bottom to release any built-up moisture. Other models of regulator have a valve at the bottom that can be twisted. Once a month, clean and drain your air compressor if necessary. Make sure the CMC is still secure and not moving in its brackets or stand. Shake the head to make sure it is tight and not moving freely. See the head wheel adjustment guide if it needs to be tightened. Examine the blade cartridge for wear and replace if necessary. If the blade is moving while in the cartridge, replace the cartridge. Once a year, check that the blade is plunging smoothly. If it is not, then clean the foot block. Check that the gantry belts are in alignment. Remove both the top and bottom cover. Move the gantry until the red line lines up with the red marks on the bottom. Then look at the top to check that the red line also meets with the red marks. If it does not line up, you will need to realign the belt. Finally, check the belt tension. Loosen the screw on the far right-hand side on the bottom. Tap the spring block twice and retighten the bottom screw. Repeat this process for the screw on the top belt. Thank you for watching. You can find us online at wizardint.com. For more support, call us at our toll-free number 888-855-3335.